Celebrate the 4th of July in style. No complete makeover needed. Just a few last-minute decorating ideas can make a big impact. We'll be using just a few seasonal accents, like small American flags, fresh greenery, flowers, lanterns, patriotic pillows, and timeless farmhouse decor to create a warm and welcoming holiday home. The best part is that you don't need to redecorate your entire home. Just add a few carefully chosen 4th of July touches to your existing summer decor. If you see something you love, you'll find our favorite Amazon decor picks, linked in the description below. Let's start with the first place everyone sees, your front porch and entryway. Your front porch is the perfect place to create a warm first impression. Start with a patriotic wreath, a fresh doormat, and a pair of potted plants. Add a lantern or two and a small American flag for a festive touch. If you have a bench or rocking chairs, add 1 or 2 patriotic pillows or a lightweight throw to make the space feel even more inviting. Keeping the decorations balanced helps create a timeless look instead of an overly busy one. Inside the entryway, style a console table with a vase of fresh flowers, a candle, and a few patriotic accents. A small wooden tray can help group everything together and give the display a more polished, designer feel. You don't need much here. Just a few thoughtful pieces can make your home feel warm and welcoming from the moment guests walk in. Living room. The living room is where family and friends gather, making it one of the best places to decorate. Refresh your sofa with patriotic pillow covers and a light throw blanket. It's one of the quickest ways to give your living room a festive update without changing your everyday decor. Style your coffee table with a wooden tray, candles, greenery, and a small American flag. Layer by adding a vase or a decorative bead garland to create more visual interest. Complete the look with a few simple accents on your shelves and fireplace mantle. A framed patriotic print, a ceramic vase with fresh flowers, or a lantern is often all you need. Remember, not every surface needs decorations. Leaving a little open space helps each piece stand out and keeps the room feeling clean and relaxing. Kitchen and dining. A few simple updates can make your kitchen and dining area feel celebration ready. Style your kitchen island with fresh flowers, a wooden tray, and a bowl of seasonal fruit like lemons, strawberries, or blueberries. Add a patriotic kitchen towel or a small planter for an easy holiday touch. For open shelves or countertops, display a ceramic pitcher with greenery or a small flag to bring a little festive charm without adding clutter. On the dining table, use a simple table runner, woven placemats, and a centerpiece filled with fresh greenery. Add a few small American flags for a subtle patriotic accent. If you're hosting family or friends, simple white dinnerware paired with natural textures creates an elegant farmhouse look that's both beautiful and easy to put together. Backyard and patio. Whether you're hosting a barbecue or simply relaxing outside, a few thoughtful touches can make your outdoor space feel extra special. Create a cozy atmosphere with lanterns, string lights, comfortable seating, and plenty of fresh flowers or potted plants. Add a couple of patriotic pillows and a few small flags to celebrate the holiday without overwhelming the space. Set up an outdoor table with candles, greenery, and simple place settings to create a welcoming spot for family and friends to gather. As the sun sets, soft lighting from lanterns and string lights creates a warm and inviting atmosphere that's perfect for enjoying a summer evening together. last-minute styling ideas. If you're short on time, don't worry. Sometimes the smallest updates make the biggest difference. Place a patriotic pillow on an accent chair. Display fresh flowers on a side table. Style a lantern near the front door or on a windowsill. Add a small American flag to a ceramic vase. Fill a woven basket with rolled throw blankets for guests. Arrange a few candles on a decorative tray. These quick updates help carry the holiday theme throughout your home while keeping everything simple, elegant, and uncluttered. Quick styling tips. Before you finish decorating, here are a few simple designer tips. Stick to a consistent color palette by mixing patriotic reds, whites, and blues with natural materials like wood, wicker, linen, and fresh greenery. Choose a few quality pieces instead of decorating every surface. Group decorations in odd numbers for a more balanced and natural look. Mix different textures instead of adding more decorations. Wood, ceramic, woven baskets, and soft fabrics create warmth without making the room feel crowded. And finally, leave a little empty space. A clean, welcoming home always feels more inviting than one filled with too many decorations. Final thoughts. We hope these simple last-minute decorating ideas inspire you to refresh your home for the 4th of July. Remember, you don't need a complete makeover to create a beautiful holiday home. Just a few carefully chosen decorations can make every room feel festive, welcoming, and ready for family and friends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple home decorating ideas and seasonal inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, have a wonderful 4th of July, and we'll see you in the next video.